Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Microwave Me. Today I'm going to be cooking some shampoo. Lindsay over here is a dirty girl. That Safeguard couldn't get her clean, so maybe some shampoo will. Let's place the shampoo bottle in. My prediction, the top will pop and it'll squirt shampoo, kind of like the liquid soap that I did a while back. Now let's get microwaving. Shampoo is done. Let's see what the final result is. The bottle swelled up. The top didn't burst. The bottle shows no signs of getting ready to burst. I mean, look at it. Boo is it melted the shampoo. It serves no practical purpose to heat up a shampoo bottle like that. Didn't blow the top like I was hoping it would and spray everywhere, or explode like I thought there was a small possibility it might. Nope. It just wasted everybody's time, my time, your time, sitting there like a dumbass watching that thing spin around and around and doing nothing. Because of that, I'm going to have to say microwaving a bottle of shampoo is a stupid idea. Don't do it. It's not dangerous, but it serves no purpose whatsoever. It's, I guess, safe, but unlike something like cooking a vegetable or even heating up soap or something like that, it serves no purpose. It's just so boring to watch that I can't not declare it a stupid idea.